Think the world was flat, you could sail off the edge, and that was that. All the things we thought in days gone by, and we thought we had it sussed. Stars and planets revolved round us like some smug, self-centered guy. Looking back, there's so much we got wrong, but we believed and went along. Thank God some of us asked why, to make us stop and think maybe they're right. Days gone by. We used to think could make gold by alchemy, or so we're told. All the things we thought in days gone by. Some folks said the color of our skin defines our worth. We believe to spin who gets the nod and who need not apply. Looking back, there's so much we got wrong. Drunk the Kool-Aid and went along. Thank God someday to defy the powers that be, to let in the light. And days gone by. But these days we're so clever, we won't get fooled again. No peer pressure, and noble leaders would never lie like they did to us in days gone by. Days gone by.